Alright, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best go to pick when running your TikTok adverts. So you can get more sales, more leads, and faster business growth without wasting your money. Alright, before you promote any video, TikTok will ask you to choose an ad goal. This single decision controls who TikTok will show your advert to and what kind of results you will get. Okay, so let me break it down. There are three major goals. I'm going to take you to my screen now on how to choose the best goal for your TikTok ad. Okay, can you see here now? Choose your goal. Okay, I believe you all know how to get to this spot I am right now. Okay, so can you see choose your goal? We have boost accounts, and then we also have get sales, right? We have get leads, we have boost live. Okay, so I'm going to talk about everything one by one. All right, and at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the best to use for your TikTok ad. So let's talk about boost accounts. All right, so when you click on boost accounts, so under boost accounts we have more video views, more followers, more profile views. I don't know who would like to go for this more profile views. So under more video views, if you want to have more video views, if you want more people to view your video, that is when you will click on more video views. And then if you need followers, you click on more followers. So with this you gain more followers. And then if you also need more profile views, you click on more profile views. Are you getting me? As your goal. Okay, so let's talk about get sales. So under get sales, we only have option of more website visits. So let's assume you want to drive leads to your WhatsApp, to your website, to your YouTube, to anywhere. What you just need to do, you just need to click on this edit. Although I already have a link here, but you can either choose learn more, shop now, sign up. If you want them to sign up, contact us, apply now, book now. We still have more, right? Donate now, download, request time, see menu, watch more, call now. These are the options under the more website visits. Okay, as you can see that I have my link here. So if I want people to click on learn more, that's why my link is here. So you add your link, your website to this place. Are we together now? And then you click on save. Okay, so anytime you run the ad, I believe you must have seen those kind of ad that you see learn more, download now, watch now. So this is what they use, get sales. Okay, so it is under more website visits. I mean, get sales. When you click on get sales, then you will see more websites visits. All right, that's where you will add your link. Okay, so let's go to the get leads. So under this get leads, I recommend my students to use get leads. Okay, because this is where the magic comes in, right? So under get leads, we have more TikTok messages, more phone calls, other messaging app. Okay, so if you want like I said earlier, I do tell all my students, and then I recommend you, if you want to run your ad, if you want your ad to be effective, use more TikTok messages. Okay, like I said earlier in my previous video, that when you use more TikTok messages, right, you must have set up your automated response. Okay, so under your automated response, that is where you will put your where you want them to reach out to you, either your website, either your WhatsApp, either your maybe your messaging, whatever messaging app. So get more TikTok messages work perfectly, it works so smooth, and then it converts so fast and very easily. All right, than more phone calls, than also more than messaging apps. I have my reason. So for me, I recommend you to use more TikTok messages because it's the best. It works for me, and then it keeps working till date. The reason is this again, because most people have complained that when they add their TikTok, I mean when they add their WhatsApp link as the landing link on TikTok ad, on TikTok adverts, people doesn't click, and then it will show you that numbers of people that click your link, but no one buys from you. You didn't see any click rate, you didn't see anybody that patronize your business. Are we together? And so the best option for you to use is to use more TikTok messages. With these more TikTok messages, people will message you direct on your TikTok, right? And then you will use your automated response to grab their attention. So when you use the automated response, anytime they message you on TikTok, your automated response will comes in by, and then you will start state it, drop it on your automated response that they should message you on your WhatsApp, save your number, or copy this link and paste it somewhere so that they can join your either Telegram or your WhatsApp group or website and all that. So it works very, very fast and very, very good for you to make sales on TikTok. So I recommend more TikTok messages. So if you want more calls, you click here, then you add your phone number. Okay, you can add your phone number. Let me just use this phone number. Okay, you add your phone number and then you click on save. So if you want them to call you, learn more, shop now, sign up, contact us, apply now, we still have more. It's also work like the previous one and get more website visits. The option on more profile, the option on more website visits also they are also here too. So you can click on save. All right, so anybody that sees your ad will call you. And then if you want other messaging app, you can also click here by adding your WhatsApp, right? You can add your WhatsApp number, add your messenger. If you want to add your Facebook Messenger, you can just go to your Facebook page, copy your ID and put it there. All right, that is for Messenger. And then for other URL, let's say you want to add your WhatsApp link, your Instagram link, or your website, or your whatever landing link you want them to go to, you can also add it here and click on save. All right, let me, for instance, or better still, let me add this. Let me copy this. Let me copy it. All right, so let's paste it now. So you click on save. So if anybody sees your ad, they will see this default link. And then they can also go to the landing link you provided. Okay, so but I recommend more TikTok messages. As I said earlier, go for more TikTok messages. But before you go for more TikTok messages, make sure that you've already set up your automated response. So anytime they message you on your TikTok, then the automated response will reply them, even though you are not even online. The automated response will reply anybody that message you, and then you can construct your message that anybody, like if they are interested in your product, they should message you on your WhatsApp, putting your phone number or your WhatsApp link. So you instruct them to copy the WhatsApp link and paste it somewhere so that it will be clickable, because the link doesn't work on TikTok messages. Link, if you send me a link on my TikTok Messenger now, it won't be clickable, it won't work. So if I want to make use of those links, I need to copy the link. Either I paste it on my notes or I paste it on my WhatsApp, then send it to myself or send it to anybody. Then the link can be accessible, right? Or I copy the link and paste it on my browser, so I can have access to the link. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So the last one is the Boost Live. So let's say if you want more views, if you want more people to join your live streaming or more followers, so I'm going to make a video about this, about boosting your live. There's a strategy about it, so that helps you gain more viewers for your live streaming on TikTok. Okay, so this, I'm going to make another video about this. So but let me just touch it a little bit. If you want to, the option we have on Boost Live, if you want more viewers to join your live streaming and then more followers to join your live streaming, this is when you will use this option, Boost Your Live. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, kindly please hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the amazing tips I'm going to drop about TikTok in my next video. So as I said earlier, if you want to run your ad, if you want your ad to be effective, go for Get Leads, and then under the Get Leads, click on more TikTok messages. It really works so fast, so powerful, it converts so easily, right? So anytime people see your advert on TikTok, they will message you direct, and then you will use your automated response to grab their attention and to also drag them to whatever you want them to buy. In fact, you can also put your landing link on your bio. All right, so you can even make your automated response, direct them to your bio, telling them that there's a link on your bio that they should click on that link to join your masterclass, to join your sales funnel and all that, or your website. So you make use of that automated response to direct anybody that message you to anywhere you want them to buy. So because by doing this, you will know the numbers of people that are interested on your product. So the best goal you need to choose is to click on get leads, and under get leads you click on more TikTok messages. It really works very fast, reliable, and it converts so easily. All right, thank you for watching.